See, this is the fourth camp that I've been organizing and associated with in the Curtorim constituency. Earlier three were done in Curtorim, and this is the first camp that we are doing it in Raia village. I'm very happy that there is up till now, right now it's about 10:30. There is good response to the camp, and a lot of people are in anticipation waiting to come from their homes to attend and take advantage of this camp. When we did the first camp, it was a smaller camp. The second one was a little bigger. And the third one, which we organized, was the biggest. We had to send people back. And in that, you get a feeling that people need to and want to have this type of camps all over the place. And taking that into consideration, a lot of people invited me to have this camp here in Manora. Now, why this place in Manora Raia? This is one place in Manora where a lot of people who are not well-to-do are staying, and to give the best advantage to these people, that we all thought that we should be having this camp at Raia. We have done the best connect to the people. We have given pamphlets, sent around sound systems around the village to invite people for this camp. And I'm very happy to say that a lot of people have responded. And before the camp could be inaugurated, that people were in queue for this camp, and you can see the response of the people for this camp here. Breast cancer is one of the items in this medical camp here. Besides that, we have got general consultation. We have got a full, complete blood test that will be done for all the patients who will be coming here. And thereafter, after 2 or 3 days, the reports, whenever they are generated, they will be dispatched to all the people who have taken advantage of this. Besides that, we will be also giving multivitamin tablets course of 1 month to all the people most of the people who will be attending this camp. This camp is generated partly through donations, partly through our own funds, but also through the Yuvraj Foundation, that is what we have been tying up with. Breast cancer testing or screening which is done here is tie up with that group. Rest of the thing is done through CSR activities who have been actually contributing, people like Hotel Village and a lot of other people to make this camp happen, because this requires a lot of back-end teamwork, a lot of activities. We have been giving refreshments and other things to volunteers who are part of this team, and all the patients who will be coming and taking advantage of this camp.